Hello students, myself Vijay Badoria, Study Point Inter College Kerala, Sitapur. Today I am going to explain you question number 4 of exercise 7.1. Okay, question is check whether 5, minus 2, 6, 4 and 7, minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, first you should know what is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is that triangle of those two sides are equal. Okay, suppose this is the triangle, this is the triangle whose this side and this sides are equal. Suppose this is 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is that triangle of which those two sides are equal. Okay, so how will we solve? Mark this point as A, this one as B and this one as C. Okay, mark this point as A, this one as B and this one as C. So find AB. First you will find AB. A, B. Okay, A is 5 comma minus 2, 5 comma minus 2. B is 6 comma 4, B is 6 comma 4. Mark this one x1 y1, x1 comma y1. This one as x2 y2. Okay, find AB. First you will find AB. AB equal to, formula is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, x1 is 5 minus x2 is 6 minus 6 whole of square plus y1 is minus 2 and y2 is 4 minus 4 square. Okay, so 5 minus 6 is minus 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 square equal to minus 1 square is 1 plus 36 minus 6 square is 36. So root 37. AB equal to root 37. AB equal to root 37. Now find BC. BC. Okay, B is 6 comma 4 and C is 7 comma minus 2. Mark this one x1 y1 and this one x2 y2. x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Find BC. BC equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole of square plus y1 minus y2 whole of square. Your x1 is for the BC, x1 is 6 minus x2 is 7 square plus y1, your y1 is 4 minus y2 is minus, but here y2 is also minus and here it is minus, so it will be plus. So 6 minus 7 minus 1 square plus 4 plus 2 6 square. So it will be minus 1 square is 1 plus 6 equal to root 7. Oh sorry, 6 square is 36. 6 square is 36. 36 plus 1, 37. BC equal to root 37. BC equal to root 37. Now find AC. Find AC. A point is 5 comma minus 2. 5 comma minus 2. C is 7 comma minus 2. Okay, mark this one as x1 y1, x1 comma y1. This one is x1 and this is as y1 and this is x2 comma y2. This is x2, this is y2. Find AC. AC equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole of square plus y1 minus y2 whole of square. AC equal to x1 is, your x1 is 5 minus x2 is 7. 5 minus 7 square plus your y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is minus 2, and here it is minus, so it will be plus square. Is equal to 5 minus 7 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 2 plus 2 0 square is equal to minus 2 square is 4 plus 0 is equal to root 4 plus 0. Root 4 plus 0 is 4 root 4 and is equal to 2. As you are seeing in the solution, AB equal to root 37 and BC equal to root 37. Since AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC equal to root 37. Okay, two sides of triangle are equal, length of two sides of triangle are equal, so this is an isosceles triangle. So ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, triangle. Now I hope you understand. Now see the next question. What is the next question? Question number 7. What is question number 7? What is question number 7? Now our 7th question is, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 5. I think you should know that the point which lies on the x-axis, that's y, or in this x is known as x, y. In this point x is abscissa, x is known as abscissa, and y is known as ordinate. Y is known as ordinate. If a point lies on x-axis, its ordinate should be 0. Its ordinate should be 0. If a point lies on the x-axis, its ordinate should be 0. So its coordinates will be x, x, whatever will be, but y should be 0. Okay? Its abscissa will be जो भी हो abscissa आपकी, but y will be, y point will be 0. I hope you understand this. So let the point on x-axis, is p x, 0. Okay. Since in the question it is saying find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the 2, minus 5. Suppose P is this, P point is this, x, y, x, 0. It is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, A, B. Mark this one as A and B. Remark A as 2, minus 5, 2, minus 5, and B as minus 2, 9, minus 2, 9. This point is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, means this length and this length should be same. BA equal to PB. So first you will find PA. PA equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole of square plus y1 minus y2 whole of square. Your x1 is, your mark this one as x1, y1, okay, x2, y2, x2, y2. So x1 is x minus x2 is 2 plus your y1 is 0, y1 is 0 minus y2 is minus 5, but here it is minus, so it will be plus. So PA equal to x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square plus 0 plus 5 square. PA equal to x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25. Applying this a minus b whole square, a square plus b square plus minus 2ab. Okay, so PA equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25, 29. Now find PB. Now this is x1, y1. Mark this one as x2, y2. x2, y2. PB equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, PB equal to your x1 is x, in this x1 is x and x2 is minus 2, but here it is minus also, so it will be plus y1 is 0 minus y2 is 9. PB equal to x plus 2 whole square, x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 9 square is 81. So PB equal to under root x square plus 4x plus 81 plus 4, 85. Okay, since this point is equidistant from this point, so PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB because P is equidistant from these 2 points. P is equal on the equal distance with A and B. Suppose this is 4, so it will be 4. Okay, so PA is equal to PB. According to question, PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. So PA is root x square minus 4x plus 29. Okay, and PB is x square plus 4x plus 85. Okay, squaring both sides, squaring both sides, square roots will be cancelled out. Okay, so it will remain x square minus 4x plus 29 equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. If you are shifting x square this side, it will be minus and here it will be plus, so it will cancel out. Okay, x square will be cancelled out. So it will remain shift minus 4x also this side. Okay, but this is minus 4x. This is minus 4x. Shift 4x this side, it will be minus 4x equal to, there is 85. Shift 29 to that side, so it will be minus 4x minus 8x. 85 minus 29. Okay, so x equal to 56 upon minus 8, 8 7 ja x equal to minus 7. X equal to minus 7. So point is we assume point as x comma 0 and x is minus 7. Okay, and y is also 0. So point is minus 7 comma 0. So now thank you and have a good day for you.